You won't believe how cheap Japan is right now. Thanks to a weak yen, your dollar goes further than it has in decades, making everything from Michelin-starred ramen to high-tech gadgets more affordable than ever. This currency advantage is a huge reason why Japan welcomed a record-breaking 36.8 million visitors in 2024, smashing pre-pandemic records. But it's not just about the money. Japan was one of the last major countries to fully reopen its borders after 2020. This created a massive pent-up demand, a kind of global FOMO. Add to that a massive global fascination with Japanese culture. Think about it. Anime, like the kind you'll find in Akihabara, is a global phenomenon. The food, from street-side takoyaki in Osaka to world-class sushi in Tokyo, is legendary. And the unique blend of ancient traditions and futuristic cityscapes is something you can't find anywhere else. It's this perfect storm, a weak yen, pent-up demand, and incredible cultural appeal that has made Japan the world's must-visit destination. The government is even aiming for 60 million visitors annually by 2030. So, is a trip to Japan on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments.